Welcome to this lesson on finding equivalent ratios. Today, we're going to explore equivalent ratios for 3/4. An equivalent ratio is found by multiplying both terms of the ratio by the same number. For example, let's find equivalent ratios for 3/4 by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by a number. Let's start with our original ratio of 3/4. When we multiply both the numerator and the denominator of 3/4 by 2, we get a new equivalent ratio. By doing this, our ratio becomes 6/8. Next, let's multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. Doing this will give us another equivalent ratio. Notice that our ratio becomes 9/12. Now, let's try multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 4. Keep that in mind because this will result in another equivalent ratio. We now have 12/16. To summarize, we have successfully found equivalent ratios for 3/4 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same number. 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8, 9/12, and 12/16. Any ratio that results from multiplying both numbers by the same positive integer will be equivalent